Good morning, students. Mrs. Stein here, and I'm ready to celebrate some more amazing happenings at Ballinger Creek Elementary School this week as we together have love, learn, lead, succeed all year and all week long. Boy, was it a wonderful week at Ballinger Creek Elementary School, and if you didn't know, this week on Wednesday we celebrated Administrative Professionals Week, and so boy are we lucky to have Miss Wolf, Miss DeWong, and Miss Mills in our front office helping to lead the way. So many things, including having access to your Schoology pages, your attendance each day, answering the phones when your families have questions, sending out Find Out First, recreating all of our lists and charts, and many of the managerial details that have gone into this year to support all of the students and our families and teachers have come from our front office. So we celebrate these fabulous ladies this week. I had the pleasure of walking through Miss Priolo's class as they were starting their day talking about how they are feeling. And as we know from some of our PATHS lessons, it's important to identify ways that we're feeling, talk about them, and use strategies to help make sure we stay in the green zone for learning. What was especially touching with Miss Priolo's Pipsters, as they call themselves, they were all feeling happy on Tuesday when I had the pleasure of being in their class. And some of the feelings that you see listed here, they feel kind and courageous and happy to be at school. What a privilege it is to be in Miss Priolo's class and each and all of our hybrid and virtual classes here at Ballinger Creek. I hope you're all starting your morning pretty happy too. Boys and girls, did you know that you're not the only ones who engage in learning? This week, I would like to celebrate all of our teachers and our teacher leaders who began their own learning cohorts. So as you see here, we have some teachers who were in the ALP learning cohort, Teaching with the Heart in Mind. We also have some math focus, writing, a look at phonics, and our Vanguard teachers are sharing their expertise. So thank you to all of our teachers who are committed lifelong learners. We are better educators for our time together discussing our craft. So I wanted to make sure we highlighted all of our teachers and leaders who are facilitating these sessions. Thank you, thank you. Did you know it was Earth Week and Thursday was Earth Day? And so I had the privilege, you see pictured in the middle, of spending some recess time out with the beautiful weather this week with some 5th grade students. It's amazing to watch our cherry blossoms fall from the sky almost like snow on a windy day as we celebrated this week. We also have Keon Mason and Claire O'Neill, as with the rest of our 3rd grade classes, that they each got tree saplings to take and replant, celebrating Earth Week. Last but not least, we're going to talk about our Stick With It students. And so hats off to Miss Gordon for the wonderful idea and talking with her class about sticking with it. And so it's something that I hope we can continue to highlight and celebrate each Friday. So boys and girls, do you have a celebration or something that you did to stay engaged in your learning each and every day, showing up to all your meets? A special celebration of a way you stuck with it? Send me your name and a Schoology message and maybe a picture explaining how. Also, teachers, we would love to hear from you. Send me an email or a message with your Stick With It students, and we will include them in our Friday celebrations. Many more awesome happenings this week in each of your virtual and hybrid classrooms here in this school that I could go on about, but those are just a few. Boys and girls, we love you and we hope that you have the best Friday, and I can't wait to celebrate again with you next week. Take care.